1936 Ford Tudor sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car is coming out of long-term ownership. Previous owners actually had this car since 1969. Decided it was time to part with it and find a new owner. Flathead V6 underneath the hood. 3-speed manual transmission. This is one of those cars, drive it the way it is. It's got its bumps and its bruises, shows its age a little bit. Kind of adds to that 1930 mystique. Or maybe you want to take it to the next level. The choice will be up to the new owner. Let's take a look at the front end on this. If you want to see the still pictures, you can be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the artillery style wheels and the Ford V8 center caps, bias ply tires. White vinyl interior, and we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood as usual. End of the video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Again, it's got its bumps and bruises here and there, adding to the character of the car. Still a 6-volt system. Technician did note the gauges are in op. Brakes are 70% in the front, 40% in the rear, and seeps from the powertrain, what you'd expect out of a 1936 Flathead. But we're going to fire it up. Like I said, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you like these pre-war classics, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You get a good look at the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel. Now these seats will fold forward, make it easier to access the rear seating compartment. Of course, a push button to start. I already have the ignition cylinder unlocked, so we're going to push that. Oh, that's on run, or on. Push button over here to start. That Flathead fires right up. Do have a little throttle control. It's kind of low idle, so I have to pull this throttle control just a tad. Pretty cool when you have a Flathead that just purrs. Very distinct exhaust note. Let's go ahead. Let me get this hood popped. We're going to take a peek at the engine bay. And then, like I said at the very end, Jason's going to take this for a drive. And a quick peek underneath the hood. What you'd expect out of a Flathead V8. Of course, a single carb, 6-volt system running pretty smooth. Let's go ahead, we'll open this other side panel and let you take a peek at this side. There, you can see them both open. '36 Ford Tudor sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1936 Ford. This is a two-door with sedan style body. This car started up very easily. It's a 3-speed manual on the floor for easy driving. The clutch feels good, shifts easy. We're in third now. The factory amp gauge is right about in the middle. The fuel gauge shows empty and the oil pressure gauge is at 0, so they may not be reading at all. The water temperature gauge is showing 140 and still rising a little bit. That is mounted down below a vintage gauge and below the dash. We've got some slack in the steering as you would expect from a car like this. No headliner. Door panels are newer and have been added. It's really a solid car though. Starts and runs nicely. Goes down the road smoothly. There's a rattle here and there in the driver's door. Vintage fan mounted on the dash. Original looking mirror on the windshield. Don't see too many two-door 36 Fords. The speedometer is impressive. That looks really good. And appears to be operating as it should. It's original, needle, still intact. Corners nicely, manual steering, but it does corner as it should. Vinyl bucket seats up in the front and a vinyl bench in the back. Comfortable, fun to drive, easy to drive, 36 Ford. Make this car what you want, finish it the way you want, or leave it the way it is. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.